Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you through the process of purchasing the Trump meme coin using the Phantom wallet. So, now let's get started. First, ensure you have the Phantom wallet installed and set up on your device. Phantom is a user-friendly crypto wallet available on Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Next, add funds to your Phantom wallet. You can purchase cryptocurrency directly within the wallet or transfer from another wallet. Next, open the Phantom wallet and navigate to the browser tab. Visit a reputable decentralized exchange that operates on the Solana network, such as Radium or Serum. Next, connect your Phantom wallet to the DEX by clicking on the Connect Wallet option and selecting Phantom Wallet from the list of supported wallets. Now once connected, locate the trading pair for Sol or Trump, enter the amount of Sol you wish to swap and confirm the transaction. Ensure you review the transaction details carefully before confirming. Now after the transaction is confirmed, return to your Phantom wallet. Now you should see your Trump tokens in your asset list. If not, you may need to manually add a token by entering its contract address. And that is how you can purchase Trump meme coin using the Phantom wallet. And now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.